Hello everyone. Today I have taken a topic of English grammar, articles, definite article or indefinite article. Each of the article has different uses in different situations. So, today we will discuss about indefinite articles. The words a, an and the are called articles. These articles are normally used before nouns. A and an are called indefinite articles while the is known as definite article. For example, a book, a table, a pen, a tree, an umbrella, an orange, an innocent man, an apple, etc. The words refer to any of its kind. Such articles are called indefinite articles. These indefinite articles stand before only singular forms of noun. Uses of an. An is used only before words with a vowel sound. Remember, a, e, I, o, u do not necessarily produce vowel sound. Here, the choice between the two indefinite articles a and an is determined by sound words beginning with consonant sounds precede a and words beginning with vowel sound precede an. There are some special cases also, for example, a university, a unicorn, a useful book, etc. An is used in abbreviation beginning with the letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S, and X. Here are the two different examples. First example is she is an MP. So we have to use an in abbreviations beginning with the letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S, and X. And second example is she is a member of parliament. Here we use a because it is not a member is the word member is not a abbreviation. A and an is used to denote certain quantity, numbers and speed. Quantity in dozen, number in 100,000, etc. Speed kilometers. For example, a dozen of bananas. Second example is I have 100 pens. A few words that denote the numbers of countable nouns such as hundred, thousand, million, dozen, couple, etc. A is used. A and an sometimes makes a proper noun, common noun. Proper nouns generally do not take any articles, but when a proper noun needs to be used as a common noun, you must bring a or an for it. For example, he thinks he is a Shakespeare. Here, Shakespeare doesn't refer to the actual person but someone like him. Second example is he seems to be an Australian. Here, Australia is a proper noun, but Australian is a common noun because there is only on Australia, but a million of Australians. Next rule is a common noun in the singular number always require an article before it, but a plural common noun doesn't require an article always. A plural common noun can have the article the if we want to particularize that noun. For example, I saw a snake. Here refers to a random snake. Second example is I have seen the snake again. Here it refers to the snake I have already seen earlier. Next example is I have seen the snakes again before leaving the zoo. Here it refers to the particular snakes of the zoo which I saw earlier. Now next is an is used before words beginning with the silent H as an R, an honor, an hire, an honest man, etc. Next is use a or an after some prepositions like at, of. For example, two tablets at a time. Second example is birds of a feather fly together. And next is a is to be used before few and little. For example, I have a few friends coming over. Second example is there is a little milk in the jar. Third example is many a fan welcome. Here, a sometimes come before determiners. For example, a few, a little, a lot of, a most, etc. But in the case of many, a or an comes after. Thank you.